Hi there, this is Malay and welcome back to my channel, where we are continuing working with the Excel.NET in the Power Automate desktop. If you have not gone through the previous videos, I will leave the link in the description. You can go and watch the introduction and the other videos, or you can also watch the introduction and directly this video to understand different concept of Excel.NET. So let's get started. Now in this video, we will be talking about how do we enable multiple values filter in a single column. So what we're going to be doing is we'll be applying the filter through the Excel.NET, and we can filter on different countries. So for example, if I only would like to get the data of, let's say, Great Britain, or let's say France and United States, then that filter is something that we're going to be applying through the Excel.NET. So let's go ahead and clear out the filter first. Let's save the file and let's head back to the Visual Studio editor. Now what I have done here is I already have the code from the previous example. I have defined one string array calling a filter values that I would like to filter United States and France. We already have opened the workbook. In this, then we are having a handle on worksheet. We are making sure that if we already have the filter applied, then we remove the filter, and then we get the range, which is the used range, that is the entire worksheet, the entire data. And this is the time where we start writing the code. So the code that we're going to be writing that will help us to filter the United States or France in that column is, we'll simply be putting Excel range dot autofilter field 5, because that's the column sequence of country. Then we will pass the array of the values that we want to filter, and we have to specify the Excel auto filter operator dot Excel filter values, and that is it. Now let me put a breakpoint over here. Let's click on start. It's now executing. And let's go and press F10. Now let's say if you want to add one more country as a filter, in that case you can simply go ahead and put the country name into the array, and this should simply filter the Poland as well. Let's click on start. And let's wait for that to come to the save method that we have. Open the file, click on sample1, and there we can see it. We have successfully applied the filter on France, Poland and United States. So we should be good. Now let's clear the filter. The filter is now cleared. We will go ahead and use the same code inside the Power Automate desktop. So I've opened the Power Automate desktop now. Let me go ahead and click on edit. And let's go and grab the array first. Let's copy that. And let's put it inside over here. And then let's simply grab the code that we have, which is autofilter. Let's put it over here. This should simply be fine. Now let's go and click on run and wait for the war success to return the success message. Let's wait for the script to finish. Okay, there is one change that we require, and that is the field. We don't need field here. It should directly be the number. We should be good now. Let's click on run again, and we now should expect the war success to appear as the success. And there we have it. Let's go and check the sample1, and you can see we were successfully able to apply the filters. Now these were all the positive OR. So what that actually means is we were able to filter the data where we say that we need United States or France or Poland. Now how about the negative filter? So we do not need, let's say, the United States, and we need all the other countries. In that case, how do we do that? Well, let's go and see that. Now I'll use the autofilter. I'll comment this out for now, and let's go with the field 5, of course. And what we're going to be providing is simply we will say not United States, and in this case we will also pass on this. So let's go ahead and close our file. Let's save this. Now let's go and Put a breakpoint over here as well and click on start. Let it run. Hit the breakpoint. Yes, there we have it. Let's go F10. We should be good. Click on continue. And let's go and see how the filter is applied. We should be able to see all the rows without the United States, and you can see there we have it. Let's add one more layer. Now what if you also do not want, let's say, the Great Britain? If you don't want the Great Britain rows to appear, then it's the second values that you're looking to exclude. In this case, let's go ahead and for now remove the filter. Click save. Close it. The way we can achieve this is a little bit different. The way we put that filter is using the same Excel range auto filter. Specify the field number. Then we specify the criteria 1. So first criteria is not United States. The operator is going to be AND because we don't want United States and we do not want Great Britain. And that is how we will be able to put two negate values. So let's go and click on start. Let's wait for the breakpoint to appear on save. And we can see that we successfully were able to exclude the values of the two countries. Now let's test this out also in the PAD. Let's clear the filter. Click on save. Let's go to the Power Automate desktop and I configured the very same filter. You can see that I applied the same filter over here. We don't have the field. Let's click on save and let's hit run from the PAD. Let's wait for the script to finish. And it is finished. Let's again go and open sample 1 and you will not see Great Britain and the United States. So we were successfully able to execute the same using the PAD. Now if you have a question that how do you include few more exclusions into the list, if you also do not want, let's say, the Australia, if you also do not want Germany along with the United States and Great Britain, how do you do that? Well, you cannot simply provide more exclusions either like this or like this. So I leave with one thought. How can we achieve this? You apply the negative filter with these two values which we have done. Then you copy the resulting range to a new sheet. Then you acquire the new sheet handle. Then you get the new sheet range. And then you apply again filter with two different values that you need excluded, and then simply go ahead and filter on top of it. And then you, if you want, you can remove the first sheet. That way you will be able to put a filter where the values are not A, not B, not C and not D. That way you can include more exclusions. Well, I hope this example helped you to understand how do you work with multiple positive filters, that is OR condition, and the negative filters in a single column using Excel.net and finally in the PAD. Well, I thank you so much for watching this video.